the honors, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Devang Raithata to please come straight over here on the stage. Let's hear it loud and cheer for the brains behind the Smart Convention 2013. Over to you, Devang.
Dear friends, a very good evening to all of you. Just to tell you, after my speech, there is a lucky draw of a Dell computer. Right? After a marathon preparation of last 150 days, it gives me a great satisfaction by standing in front of you at the closing ceremony of Smart Convention 2013. The very idea of organizing a convention was born sometimes in March 2013. Immediately, the Smart Committee assigned this responsibility to Mr. Shyam Vyas as the convention chairman and me as its co-chairman. With a strong determination and readiness, we, the Smart Committee, took the challenge to perform towards the gala success of Smart Convention 2013. Before proceeding ahead, I request my entire team to join me on the stage. Friends, these are the pillars who requested for not to be felicitated. However, they still deserve a special mention out here. May I request a round of applause for Mr. Rajiv Lakhpati, who has surpassed all our expectations in performing as media in charge and has delivered the result for his department single-handedly of Smart. Rajiv Lakhpati. Captain, please be here. Now you are my captain. Till morning I was your captain, now you are my captain. Of course, there was the unconditional support of Mr. Darshan Shah, Jai Ho, who had showed his capability and caliber. Friends, while planning for the convention, we never had in mind to hold an exhibition at the same event. This extraordinary idea emerged from the MIC, man in charge, Mr. Jatin Shah, who had not only created a separate revenue model, but also took responsibility for management of the venue. And I know the entire night he had not slept, just trying to manage the stall so that the stall had been erected on time. It also includes the banquet and the food. And who doesn't know the reality dawn? Mr. Manesh Babla, who was the instrumental for the delegates and the outdoor media publication for the convention. Most pivotal role was, however, played by none other than the Kuber of Smart. He has contributed to maximum collection for the convention, Mr. Vijay Ahuja. Miss Sneha Pathak, the knowledge bank of Smart, who has presented you all with the eminent speakers from the industry who disseminated their rich experience and knowledge. The guiding star and beloved president of Smart, Mr. Ashok Mirchandani. He has guided us to the entire 150 days of what we have to do and what we don't have to do. And last but not the least, the face of the convention, who has always shown unconditional trust and faith and supported me in whatever decision I took for managing the convention. Please welcome our chairman convention, Mr. Shyam Vyas. Friends, I am sincerely blessed to have such a good team, and without their support, this convention would not have been possible. Now, the felicitation program. Firstly, we would like to thank all the developers, and I would like to call Gosar Ventures Private Limited on the stage. Gosar Ventures Private Limited. Or Mr. Manish Rambia can be on the stage, please. Manish Rambia. कोई भी देना किसी के भी हाथ में देंगे सेट क्रिएटर्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड निश डेवलपर्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड वन अविग्ना निश डेवलपर्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कोल्टे पाटिल डेवलपर्स लिमिटेड सन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्राइवेट लिमिटेड Kumar Builders Private Limited. Kumar Builders, please. KUL. Dosti Realty. Ashok ji, can I request you to take on behalf of Dosti? Ashok ji. Total Environment Building Systems Private Limited. Midday Publication. Our print media partner, Accommodation Times, Mr. Ajay Bhai. Okay. I would like to call upon President of Area Group, Mr. Jayesh Vyas on stage. Please. Friends, let me tell you that our business cousins, Area Group, has always played the role of a big brother. Raju Bhai, Tipu Bhai, all have always supported us whenever we have gone and landed our Kalpesh Bhai, when he was the president of the NAR India, and today also whenever we want, we can call them and they are always there with us. Area Group, they are always our full support. Vinod Thakkar, whenever we want to have anything, we can call up them and they are always there with us. So our big brothers are always there with us. 3 cheers for Area Group. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. Yeah. Similarly, may I request the President or Secretary of TEAA, Thana Estate Agent Association. Yes. To come on the stage, and they also supported for the convention in a wholehearted manner. The Dhanmen Thakkar. Yeah. Yeah. Friends, I take this opportunity to thank each and every smart members from the bottom of my heart for their unconditional trust and faith in all the decisions taken by the committee. However, some of them do require a special mention who has supported relentlessly for a lot of preparation in this convention. Firstly, I would like to call Mr. Ashok Narang, who was not only instrumental in raising funds, but also in getting speakers and delegates too. Manish? Mr. Vikram Somani, who has from the very day of declaration of convention, supported wholeheartedly with Sneha Ben for finalizing the content matter for every speaker participating in the convention. Mr. Vikram Somani. And the guiding force and true well-wishers of SMART, Captain Vikram Malik, Sunita Advani. Ranjit Sumaya. Ranjit Sumaya. Mehul Ved. मिलन चौकसी. दर्शन भाई जय हो. नहीं छे ત્યાં. Wait. It's already there. Everything is there. એટલે અંદર મૂકી દે બધા. પેક કરને का. Kavisa Jagaseth. Let me inform you all that she ensured we all work in discipline. Friends, the show you all enjoyed today was all due to a lot of hard work and dedicated effort of entire team of Solitaire Event, our event partners. May I request Ms. Vibha Narsana to kindly come and join me on the dais with our team. आराम से सब है. आप આધા અહીં આવી જાઓ ને ભાઈ. હા ચાલ બધા આ બાજુ આવી જાઓ. શ્યામભાઈ ની હારે. This entire event were been managed by them. Please, a round of applause, please. Finally, the yes man of SMART, who has always proactively supported as warrior for this convention. Friends, I request you all for welcoming them with thundering applaud, Mr. Vishal Wadhwani. Before Mr. Vijay Ahuja goes with the vote of thanks, Jayesh Bhai would like to speak some word, please.
All I have to say is, smart guys, the kind of convention that you all have put up today shows that you have really lived up to your names. A big round of applause for this fantastic job they have done. Area has been fortunate to host a lot of conferences and conventions, and we know what we have to do, what goes into creating such a kind of event. And I'm sure this is just a sheer confluence of the experience of the seniors that you have in your team, the energy of the young crowd that you have with you, and the smartness of all of us, because we joined them. And I'm sure every year SMART will be able to do much better than what they have done this year. And on behalf of the entire Association of Real Estate Agents, that's the area group, we wish you all the very best.